Thank you for attending this webinar called The Fun in Learning. I'm Emi Kaneko, Director of Singapore Office of Japan Science and Technology Agency, or JST. It is the third time we organize a webinar as part of Science Agora, and the first time to co-organize with a very good friend, Asia Pacific Assistive Robotics Association, or APRA, in Singapore. When I hear word assistive robotics, I think of robots like exoskeleton suits, but it seems APRA has a lot bigger scope than that, including use of robotics to augment human potential. It's been 3.5 years since I relocated to Singapore, and here I hear the government and people talk a lot about reskilling and upskilling, especially during and after the COVID-19 pandemic. So I suppose learning is not only for kids, but also for adults. But the big question here is, how do you motivate yourself to learn, and what should you learn? To discuss and answer this question, we have today a good mixture of speakers from Singapore, Finland, and Hong Kong, who have different expertise and experiences to share with us. This webinar first proceeds with 3 presentations from the speakers, followed by a panel discussion moderated by Ms. L. In the panel discussion, we'd like to include questions or comments from the audience as much as possible. So please don't hesitate to write your comment in the chat box in English. In case you need to write that in Japanese, you are also welcome to do so. Ms. L can pick up English comments by herself, and if the comments are in Japanese, I'll try my best to translate them to her. We want this webinar to be interactive between the speakers and the audience. So please help us to do so by your kind and active participation. So thank you very much, and please enjoy